Good morning, my friends! Today, you've caught me in the reading area of the kindergarten classrooms. In this part of our class, we have lots of books and cozy cushions and cozy chairs for you to sit and explore books. There are so many books to choose from. When I'm looking for a good book, the first thing I look at is the cover. I want to try to see if the cover gives me a clue about what the book might be about. Now you can see I have lots of different kinds of books behind me. I have books about dinosaurs and bugs. I have stories that use beautiful pictures and illustrations. I have books that are all about art, or maybe even books all about math. Books are made about so many different topics. And really, it's up to us to decide what kinds of books we like to read. Today, I'm going to show you how some books, they might have the same things inside them, but they're still different. And I wonder if you can help me figure out why. Let's take a look. This is the first book I want to show you. It's called 100% Full-Size Animals. Now, I'm looking at the cover and I can see this beautiful illustration of a tiger. But let me show you one other book I have. This book is called Tiger. These books must be the exact same, right? What do you guys think? Well, they both have tigers on them. That must mean that they're the same. I think you guys know what I'm trying to do. Let's see. Let me show you another example. Take a look at this one. This book says, "We see shapes." And on the front of the book, I can see triangles and circles and squares, rectangles, and the title says shapes. So I know that this book is going to be about shapes. But what about this one? This one has rectangles and triangles and squares and circles too. It must all be about shapes. I'm going to learn about shapes in this book. Are these books the same? What do you guys think? Books are all different. Sometimes books teach us about something. And sometimes books are a story that entertain us, that have us have fun while we read. There's a special name for the kinds of books that teach us things, and the kinds of books that are a story. When we look at books that teach us about something, like this book is teaching us about shapes, we call these books non-fiction. They're teaching books. Books that are a story are called fiction. Now, I showed you that book about the tiger. Let's take a look. This book is filled with information about animals. As we go through the book, it teaches us things about different kinds of animals. For example, if you look at this page, it's teaching us all about the different claws. It's telling us information. When we look at this page, we can learn how long the claw is of a lion and how long the claw is of a bear. It's teaching us something. Even though the cover has a picture of a tiger, it's not a story about a tiger. This book is teaching us about lots of different animals. It's nonfiction. But this book, even though it has a picture of a tiger, it's a story. It's all about a little tiger that goes through the jungle and learns to grow up to be super fierce. It's different from the other books. This one is fiction. Today, I want you to look around your house and see if you can find an example of a book that is fiction, a story, and a book that is nonfiction. A book that teaches you something, that gives you information. See if you can find those kinds of books at home. If you can't, that's okay too. You can even go on websites like Epic or YouTube, or even go on to our Reading A to Z. See if you can find a book that matches what I'm asking. Can you find a storybook and a book that teaches us something? I can't wait to see what you find. And who knows, if it's a really good book, maybe we should add it to our classroom library too. I'm super excited to see you guys exploring in this space. It's one of my favorites. I love looking at new books, and I hope you guys do too. All right, go explore and go find some awesome stories at home. Bye, guys.